This quick intro is the why behind the book, a few thank yous, a fast disclaimer, and where to find the code. First, acknowledgements. Huge thanks to my wife Jill for her patience. I hope she's out paddleboarding, kayaking, soaking up nature while I'm nerding out here. Honestly, I hope she never reads this. It would probably bore her. And shout out to the Google engineers. The first time I ran the profiler and watched the UI redraw at insane speeds, I was blown away. The talent over there is ridiculous. What a team. Purpose. This isn't the most advanced Flutter book by the most advanced Flutter dev. I wrote it to learn, out loud. I picked up a ton along the way, and if it helps you ship something faster, cleaner, or gives you an aha, then it did its job. There's source code for the examples. Grab the link in the description. Work. I'll be honest, there's a little self-promo here. After this is out, I'm building more apps for my wife's business, and I'm looking for part-time Flutter work. If you're interested, email me at markclow@hotmail.com or hit my LinkedIn. https://www.linkedin.com in Mark Clow 9A61362. Disclaimer. Some things in this book might be wrong. I'm human. I make mistakes. It's also opinionated. I'm aiming for technical accuracy, but I'm still learning Flutter and Dart, and I've got a long way to go. Take my opinions lightly. I don't intend to harm anyone or anything. Frankly, I'm not smart enough for that. If you're here to learn, build, and get a little better each day, you're in the right place. Let's jump in, stay curious, and ship something you're proud of. See the code link below and enjoy the ride.